Greetings, esteemed clients and subscribers. This is Ison. In this video, we will review a surveillance IP camera with a built-in microphone. The model is called Ison Ip30S-Sl. It is a surveillance camera available in 2 and 3 megapixel versions. The camera with built-in microphone is outdoor rated and has metal casing. It can be installed indoors and outdoors. These cameras are more often installed indoors where high-quality audio recording is required. These are stores, private homes and offices. The camera comes with all the necessary functions and technologies on board. It features PoE technology, which allows power transmission over a single cable. So on one side you connected your twisted pair cable here, and on the other side you connected the video recorder. If it is the Ison NVR04, PoE08, PoE16. Recorders with a built-in PoE switch. That's all you need to do. Run an additional cable. No additional power supply is needed. The camera comes with a Sony sensor on board. This is an original sensor. Not a copy, not a replica, not a fake from AliExpress, which now makes up 90% of the global market. People often ask if the Ison Dome camera can be mounted on a wall or only on the ceiling. It can be mounted on both the ceiling and the wall. Thanks to the rotating dome in the middle, you can easily and smoothly point the camera wherever you need. The resolution of 3MP camera is 2K, while 2MP version is Full HD. People often ask if there is a significant difference in recording quality and image quality between 2 and 3 megapixels. They differ 1.5 times. 1MP is 1 million pixels, 1 million dots the screen. 3 megapixel cameras have 1 million more pixels than 2 megapixel cameras. That's a difference of 1.5 times. The camera comes with built-in ECAL LED illumination, the newest ECAL LED illumination. NIR5 are terrible diodes that are currently used in 80% of all surveillance cameras. The problem is burnout the first year of operation. All Ison surveillance cameras are built to have a lifespan of 10 years in 24/7 operation mode. This means that with proper use, cameras will last around 10 years. All Ison equipment comes with a 3-year warranty. The camera features a fixed 2.8 mm lens, providing a wide 120-degree field of view without any distortions or fisheye effect. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to ask our managers or write in the comments below this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.